Hello everyone and welcome back to Modern Kitchen, where delicious meals are made simple. I'm so excited to be here today because I'll be showing you how to make one of Nigeria's most loved dishes.
Whether you're cooking for your family, a special celebration, or you're trying this recipe for the very first time, get comfortable and let's start cooking together. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Modern Kitchen Bell so you never miss another amazing recipe.
I'll guide you through every step to make sure your meal turns out perfectly. So grab your ingredients.
He's gone, living free from dusk till dawn. Let the sea set you free. Every wave tells a story to me. Blue skies high, hearts alive. This beach vibe makes me feel alive.
Next are the green beans.
Ride the breeze, feel the glow. Watch the endless.
Cutting them into bite-sized pieces helps them cook quickly while staying slightly crunchy.
Paradise is worth the while.
These green peas are already prepared, so we'll simply add them later during cooking. I'm also using sweet
I'm also using sweet corn. It adds a touch of natural sweetness and bright color to the fried rice. I'll finish with the spring onions.
Before we make our rich and flavorful chicken sauce, let's gather all our ingredients.
Here I have curry powder, thyme, black pepper, chicken seasoning, soy sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, tomato paste, garlic, colorful bell peppers, chickens, and our perfectly fried chicken. Having everything prepared before cooking makes the process easier and ensures every bite is packed with delicious flavor. Now that everything is ready, let's start making this amazing chicken.
Now it's time to combine everything.
Thanks for watching and see me in my next video. Please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you and thanks for staying with me.